happen daripada konsep molarity dan konsep volume. So, step 1, you must be find out the number of mole. Siapa? Number of mole calcium chloride solution. So, the number of mole calcium chloride solution regarding to the concept of molarity. So, molarity state that kenapa kita ambil molarity? Sebab the data given is M capital letter. So this is belong to the concept of molarity. So molarity is that the number of mole solute dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution. Okay, so remember when you write the formula, the unit of liter here is compulsory. Okay, so what happened here? We substitute the data from the statement solution. Kita nak mole. So molarity is equal to 0.500 mole per liter equal to target kita nak cari mole. So the number of mole solute calcium chloride over volume of solution already given 250 ml. So careful during you substitute into the formula, we must convert into the liter. So mean divide by 10 to the power of -3 here. So they convert in liter. Finalize, we can get the number of mole. So you dapat berapa number of mole here? Dapat berapa? Ahmad Danish? Danish, you dapat berapa mole? Tolong saya kira sekarang. Danish? Okay, tolong kira. Yang lain? Okay, kira sekarang. Berapa dapat? Betul tak dengan jawapan yang saya kira?
Dapat 0.125.
0.125? Is it 0.125? Is it correct? So careful. We have the concentration here 0.5. And then we have the volume 215. You dapat 0.125. Okay, betul. 0.125. 0.125 mole. Okay, so this is belong to the mole of calcium chloride. Ada members baru masuk ke? Okay, jap. Hafizuddin. Okay, so Hafizuddin, at the end of the class, you baru key in attendance ya. Pin pada nama saya. Rosianim BM tu. Okay, so mean this is our the number of mole kita punya solute. So kita nak apa? Kita nak mass calcium chloride. So what should you do from this mole? So what happened? You must consider the relationship mole and molar mass. So according to your previous lesson, you belajar masa sekolah, okay? Mole, number of mole, okay? Calcium chloride. Okay, equal to mass calcium chloride over molar mass calcium chloride. Okay, so data soalan nak mass. Mol dah ada. How we find out molar mass calcium chloride? Siti Farhana Othman. Siti Farhana Othman, how we find out the value of molar mass calcium chloride? Nak dapat mana?
Tambah relative atom mass.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So, you must add up the relative atomic mass of what? Relative atomic mass of each compound. So, mana? Kita tengok. Kena tunjuk ni. Takut you dah lupa nak cari dekat mana. Okay. So, kita nak calcium chloride. Okay. So, kita nak molar mass-nya. So, di mana molar mass kita? Kita nak cari. So, calcium 20 or 14.1. which is the value. But we need to calculate molar mass calcium chloride. So equal to molar mass calcium, which one the value? Relative atomic mass, so which is 14.1 plus chlorine. Ada chlorine? Chlorine here, 35.5, but we have a 2 mole, so means 2 times 35.5, and we can get the molar mass of calcium chloride in gram per mole. Okay, so we substitute into the calculation. Okay, target kita nak cari mass. Okay, so mole here is 0.125 mole. So the target equation is mass calcium chloride, and molar mass tadi kita dah substitute 14.1 plus 2 times 35.5. So the unit is gram per mole. So tolong saya kira berapa dapat mass. Is it exactly same according to the answer given? Tan Yin Yi? Same or not?
No, madam.
No. So you dapat answer berapa?
13.89.
Only 13.89. Okay.
Yes.
Another number. Okay. So the unit is gram. Is it your friends yang lain dapat 13.89?
Yes, madam.
Yes, okay, good. So basically, kenapa dapat sedikit berbeza? Because the answer given here, dia tidak masukkan decimal places 1. So di situ berlaku careless mistake lah. So sometimes, kita jangan percaya jawapan. Kita percaya kepada konsep yang kita dah kira. So this is our finalized answer. Okay, good. So faham ini baru basic konsep. Macam mana kita nak apply molarity dalam kita punya soalan. Okay, for right now, please refer to the concept of molarity. Anyone who want to try? Dah cuba buat tak? Kalau saya panggil nama ni, ready tak? Okay. H3P4. Janisha? Example 2.
Yes, madam.
Already prepare?
No, madam. I
Not
haven't
yet.
done it yet.
Okay, it's okay.
Sorry,
Anissa,
madam.
nak try. Suara siapa tu? Umairah Okay, good. Umairah, example 2 boleh share? Kamu snap gambar. Lepas tu kamu throw dekat guna viewboard. Tekan button throw. Snap gambar upload. Okay, good. Okay. Kita nak tengok cara writing Umairah. Okay, good. Okay, sementara tunggu. Okay, yang tak buat lagi tolong buat. Kita akan discuss technical writing bersama-sama.
Madam,
Yes, tanya terus.
interrupt. Yang madam suruh remind madam pasal jalan kerja semalam.
Okay, good. Alright, thank you Syakira. Okay, so sementara tunggu Umairah throw dia punya answer. Yesterday Syakira ada sharing sesuatu. Cara nak buat stoichiometry. Okay, ni. Semalam kita belajar cara kira combustion. Saya guna konsep stoichiometry. Tapi Syakira ni dia share cara guna ratio je. Macam ni. Okay, dia tanya betul tak? Okay, semalam kita belajar konsep dia. Okay, for this area. Okay, so dia hanya buat ratio sebelah kanan mass, sebelah kiri molar mass. So, and dia masukkan data, dia buat darab silang. Bila dia darab silang, dia terus dapat mass. So, betul tak cara ni? Betul, tak salah. Sebab sebenarnya, the stoichiometry is belong to the ratio concept. Okay, so cuma cara writing je dari segi kimia ditulis spesifik lah. Kalau sebelah sini kita akan label the molar mass of carbon. This is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Tapi dari segi pengiraan tepat. So masih lagi boleh diterima. Okay, dapat boleh? Dapat tak yang lain? So dia guna darab silang je. Disusun ikut unit. Sebelah kiri dia letak unit mass. Sebelah kanan dia letak unit molar mass. Lepas tu dia masuk value mana yang tak ada data. Dia terus crossover dapatlah nilai massnya. Pun boleh dalam konsep combustion yang you tengah buat latihan hantar hari Sabtu nanti. Okay, boleh ya? Kalau tak faham nanti boleh tanya lagi. Sebab dia senang je kalau korang yang ni. Sebab dia guna maths ratio. Okay, thank you Syakira. Okay, start dah. Okay. And then, so kita dah dapat satu, kita tengok cara penulisan Umairah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, kita ambil satu skrip je. Okay, so basically, this is a basic concept. Okay, page 18. Okay, kita tengok cara tulis, correct or not. Okay, so discuss together. Okay, the question is calculate molality. Okay, remember for this statement. Every time you learn the concept of concentration, you must be remember all the formula. So, what is the meaning of molality? So, kena ingatlah, molality, the main criteria calculation is number of moles belong to the solute of the substance, okay, the main component of the solution, over mass of solvent. Okay, remember the unit of mass of solvent must be labeled in kilogram. So, basically dalam exam, according to the exam, formula writing mostly akan dapat 1 markah. Tapi dengan syarat, unit kilogram compulsory, because definition molality is the mole of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram solvent. So unit kg wajib dalam formula. Okay, so diminta dekat sini. Okay, when dissolve 24.5 gram sulfuric acid, so mean this is our solute kita. Okay, in 200 ml of a distilled water. So clarify, this is our solvent. Okay, who is our solution? Combination, the mixtures between solute sulfuric acid plus water. Okay, so the first step, kawan kamu kira dulu molar mass. Okay, good lah. So better dekat sini, tak apa lagi kalau tak ada unit. Sebab dia main dengan nilai sahaja. Dia ambil terus relative atomic mass. So 2 times 1 plus 32.1, 16 times 4. Okay, calculation nilai relative molecular mass correct. Ataupun molar mass dia 98.1 gram per mole. Okay, and then dia kira pula mole of solute. Kenapa kawan kamu kira mole of solute? Sebab this is our main reference. Okay, dia nak mole of solute. Okay, so 24.52 gram over 98.10 gram per mole. Okay, so when you substitute the data including the unit, finalize, kita boleh trace. The final unit is mole. Okay, so the mole is 0.25. Is it correct? 0.25? Okay, 0.25. Correct lah. So, saya cakap sebelum ni, you must be take up at least 3 significant figure. Okay, kalau you ambil 3 pun, dia akan dapat 0.250. Ataupun kalau 4, 0.2502. So, you round off, kita masih lagi terima 0.25 sebab dia 3 significant kat sini belakang ni kosong. Okay, and then nak masuk dalam formula molarity, dia dah remind dekat sini. Okay, 200 ml mesti convert kepada kilogram. Okay, is it conversion unit is can be directly 200 ml kepada kilogram? Tak. ml is a volume measurement to measure the volume. Kilogram measurement to measure the mass of substance. So tak boleh terus convert. Apa patut kita buat? You refer semula kepada table the relative atomic mass table, tetapi muka surat 3. Page number 3. Okay, according to the page number 3, at this area. Okay, at this area, nampak tak dekat sini? Symbol density belong to the water. Okay, tak nampak. Nampak tak? Jelas tak? Sekejap saya tak scroll dulu. Okay, basically the constant value already given during the exam. The page given is like this. Okay, so what should you do? Okay, at this area, macam mana you nak convert ml, unit volume kepada mass. We must use the concept of density. So, this is the density of the water at a room temperature. So, the value is 1.00 gram per cm cube. Apa maksudnya? This value we can write also the density of water 1.00 gram per mil. So, I already state before, the unit ml is equivalent to cm cube, liter, dm cube. So therefore, we need to use the value of density of the water when we want to convert the unit of ml into kilogram. So what happened at this area? Kena tambah sikit. So density, wait ya. Okay, so you must add up the density of water equal to 1.00 gram per mil. Substitute the formula, kita tahu formula density adalah density equal to the mass over volume. So density 1.00 gram per mil equal to, ada tak mass kita nak? Okay, so what should you do? Volume dah diberikan. So kita akan jumpa dekat sini, mass. Okay, mass over volume kita berapa? Volume kita adalah 20000 ml. Okay, so therefore we can get for here, okay, the mass for here should be, berapa dapat mass? Mass sama dengan value yang sama, cuma unit je kita cancel, 200 gram for the mass of the substance. Okay, so betul kawan kamu jumpa dekat sini. And then the mole for here dia buat apa? Mole dia terus masuk over dengan 0.2 sebab dia convert kepada kilogram. So this is over 0.2 kilogram. Okay, so 0.2 kilogram. So they substitute, this is a mole. And this is the kilogram. So dapatlah nilai 1.2 mol per kilogram. So dalam tajuk concentration, unit wajib. Tak ada unit salah. During substitution, tak letak unit is okay. Yang penting masa final answer must have the unit together. Get it? Boleh? Can we proceed to the mole fraction?
Madam nak tanya.
Yes, yes.
Yang tunjuk yang dapat 200 gram ni.
Ya.
Yang ni kena tunjuk ke?
Okay, so sebenarnya tak tunjuk pun tak apa. Tapi kita baru belajar. Sebab kita tahu sebab density dia satu.
Okay.
Yang penting you convert unit tu mesti jelas lah. Dekat sini unit dia ml. Dekat sini kilogram. So dekat sini kita boleh trace dah. Kawan-kawan dah jumpa conversion unit kepada kilogram. So it's okay kalau you tak tunjuk sebab density dia adalah satu. So tak jadi masalah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, alright, okay. Okay, sekarang kita proceed for the third conversion belong to the mole fraction. So the mole fraction, saya ambil soalan nombor 1. Memang satu soalan pun mole fraction ni. Soalan example 1, molarity I let to you sebab dia simple question. Okay, page 19. Page 19. Anyone already try it? Boleh saya panggil seorang? Okay, any volunteer? Ada yang dah buat? Ada yang dah buat? Belum? Nabila? Nur Nabila dah try buat?
Belum,
Nur Nabila?
madam.
Belum. Okay. So, saya tanya kelas satu lagi. Muhammad Daniel dah cuba buat?
Belum, madam.
Okay. So, kita do together lah. Okay. Sebab saya nak masuk konsep application. Sebab application tu lagi tough punya soalan. Okay, tak apa. Okay. So, kita baca soalan sama-sama dan kita hands on together. Okay. So, we have the compounds of the ethanol containing 200 gram of the ethanol and the water. So what is the meaning for the first statement? You must be clarified who is your solute, who is your solution. And we know that 200 gram here belong to the solute component. Okay, water as our solvent. Okay, and then ethanol is our solution. Okay, so means that inside the container, Okay, we have ethanol solution C2H5OH aqueous. So it's the meaning of aqueous. Aqueous is solution that containing the mixtures of solute, okay, plus solvent. Okay, so you must be clarify who is our solute. Okay, solute is ethanol C2H5OH, and we have the specific mass of the equation, which is a 200 gram. Okay, so kita masuk data dulu supaya kita boleh tahu apa kita nak buat. This is 200 gram. Okay, and then we have the data of the solvent. Our compound is water, so the mass also 150 gram. Okay, so calculate the mole fraction. Okay, remember, criteria is a mole fraction. So you must be know mole fraction the symbol of X. So the first question dia nak ethanol. So we must know that mole fraction of ethanol should be equal to the mole ethanol. Apa soalan yang nak dia mesti jadi dekat atas? Okay, over total mole. Maksudnya total mole ni mole siapa? Mole solute plus mole solvent. Means your total number of mole are belong to the total mole of solution kita. So kita nak mole fraction ethanol. What first task? Kira dulu mole of ethanol. So the next step, find out mole C2H5OH equal to the mass given 200 gram over molar mass for carbon 2 mole times 12.0 plus 5 times 1. Okay, 5 should be times by 1.0 and plus, bukan 5 plus 1, 6. 6 of the oxygen atom. Okay, 6 of the hydrogen atom plus oxygen is 16.0. So the unit them are gram per mole. Okay, so help me to calculate the value, the mole of ethanol. Is it you get the answer, the mole here is 4. Is it? Should the calculator? 4.3.
3, 4.
4.8. Yes, good. 4.8, right? 4.8 mole.
Yes.
Okay, so the first target dah ada. Mole ethanol. Okay, kita tengok perkara di bawah dia. Mole ethanol. Sekarang ni mole solvent. Who is our solvent? Water. So next step, identify the mole for water here. Okay, next. Kita kira pula mole for water. Okay, so calculate the mole of water. The mole for water. So the mass given 150 gram over molar mass for hydrogen 1 times 2 plus 16.0. Okay, the unit is gram per mole. So the final unit also mole lah. So the mole for water is 8, right? 8.3, 8.3, right? 3?
3,
Yes,
3,
madam.
3, right?
Ah,
Okay, good. Nah, okay, saya takut saya salah tekan je. Okay, so kita dah dapatlah mole yang ada dalam substance kita. Mole ethanol, mole water. So, barulah kita boleh masuk dalam substitution mole fraction. So, okay, saya terus naik atas. Okay, target soalan mole fraction. So, kita akan buat question A. Sekarang ni dia nak... Yes. Ask.
Boleh kalau mol atas tu 3 titik perpuluhan, yang air tu 2 je.
Tak jadi. Oh, kalau air tu 2, tak. Okay, dia macam ni. At least during calculation, dia kena ada Oh, maksud kamu 3 decimal places ni
Tu 3 bawah
boleh.
Z.
Tak jadi masalah. Yang penting, dia cukup 3 ataupun 4 significant figure. Yang ni kalau kita kira 1, 2, 3. Ini 3 significant figure. Decimal places dia 2. Yang ini 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dia ada 4 significant figure. Right? So, yang tak naknya adalah nanti you buat 2 significant figure. Cannot. So, kalau macam ni, dua-dua kita terima. Kita tetap boleh terima lagi. So, walaupun tidak sama. Yang saya elakkan adalah you biarkan 2 significant figure sahaja. Contoh yang ini you buat 4.3. 4.3? Sorry, 4.35. Okay, kalau macam ni 3 kan? Boleh lagi diterima. Tapi sebenarnya the much better adalah belakang ni. 3 titik perpuluhan. Kalau macam ni 3 titik perpuluhan. Kalau yang ini 8.333. Betul tak? Ke saya salah kira? Kan? Di
Betul,
3 kan? So tak jadi masalah. Okay, kita ambil terus. Kita buat konsisten lah cara kira. Okay, senang kita tak nak bagi confuse. Okay, kita ambil sama. 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places untuk kita substitute into the mole fraction. Okay, lagi better. Kita belajar konsisten. Okay. Mole fraction etanol equal to, sebabkan kita nak cari etanol, mole etanol kena duduk atas. So, 4.348 over 4.348 plus mole for water. Okay, 8.333. Okay, tolong saya kira. Dapat berapa? 0.3 something tak silap saya. 0.3 betul. 4 2 9 ataupun 343. Right. Okay, so 343. Kita ambil 3 significant. Okay, 343. Okay, done. Okay, dapat dah jawapan mole fraction etanol. Okay, next. How we calculate the next question, mole fraction air? Nak buat statement sama macam ni ke? Tak perlu. Sebab dia kita dah tahu. The total mole fraction is 1. So, kita boleh kira. Okay. Mole fraction of water adalah 1 minus mole fraction of ethanol. Kalau kita salah kira mole fraction etanol, so salahlah for water. So kira kita akan dapat 1 minus 0.343. So this is equivalent to 0.65. Tolakkan saya, takut saya salah.
7.
7, okay, good. Alright, so this is your final last answer. Kalau mole fraction water, you nak buat step macam etanol pun tak jadi masalah. So, also correct. Okay, good. Any question? Mole fraction? Senang je ni. Tak ada? Okay, habiskan.
Madam, yang satu
Yes.
tu dapat mana?
Yang satu, okay. Yang satu ni dapat mana? Okay, good question. Okay. Okay. Sebenarnya, untuk jawab soalan B ada 2 method. Method yang pertama, macam saya buat sekarang. Method yang kedua, you boleh kira mole fraction for water sama dengan mole for water come first. So, which is 8.333 over mole for water 8.333 plus mole for ethanol 4.348. So, the answer, you can get this similar answer, which is a 0.657 also. Okay. So, tetapi for this step, why I label 1? 1 ni datang mana? Okay. 1 ni is come from to the, we already discussed before according to the page. Kejap. You tengok muka surat 19 atas sekali. Okay. So, this area. Or this statement. Nampak tak ni? Okay, so the mole fraction is always less than 1. So what is the meaning for here? Okay, during we can produce the solution, inside the component of the solution, okay, we just have the mixtures of solvent plus solute. Okay, so the add up mole fraction solvent, okay, dengan mole fraction ini hasil tambah dia adalah equal to 1 sahaja. Dia tak boleh nombor besar. Sebab itulah tadi saya tunjuk 1 minus the answer for the mole fraction ethanol. Get it? Tak boleh lebih. Kalau kita kira lebih besar daripada 1, we have a problem during calculation. Sebab dia adalah ratio. Sebab tu mole fraction dia less than 1. Okay, get it
Okay, faham, Madam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, okay. So next, percentage by week. Okay, kita terus masuk konsep satu persatu. Okay, percentage by week. For right now, the question is page 20. So I choose example number 2. Example number 1, I let to you. Okay, example number 2, page 21. Who want to try? Ada yang dah buat? Kalau tak ada buat, okay, saya bagi masa dulu. Cuba buat. Saya akan pick one name to show the answer. Cuba dulu.
Madam,
Yes.
saya nak cuba.
Boleh, okay, good, Sherin. So, try snap your answer, tekan button through. Okay, good, Sherin. Okay, yang lain tu terus buat ya. Sebab this is a basic concept. After you already understand the basic concept, kita akan apply the application concept question page 22 and 23. Okay, try Sherin. Kita tunggu jawapan Sherin first. Okay, yang lain try it first. Okay, thank you, Sherin. Okay. Okay, so we discuss together. Okay. Alright, okay. So we read the question together. Tak apa kalau tak siap lagi, kita buat sama-sama. Okay. So the solution here, dikata dekat sini, a solution is made up by the dissolving 4.2 gram sodium chloride. So, clarify terus. Who is our solute? So, dah nampak dah unit dia gram. Semestinya dia adalah solute. Okay, dissolve in 100 ml of water. So this is our solvent. Okay, calculate the percentage by, mass percentage means the percentage by mass lah. Okay, sodium chloride in the solution. So before we start, you must recall it back. What is the meaning of the percentage by mass? So percentage by mass equal to the mass of solute, okay, over mass of solution times 100. Okay. So sekarang ni kita kena cari dulu apa maklumat. Ada tak maklumat mass for solute? Ada? Ada. 4.2. Okay, sekarang ni cari mass of solution. Ada tak kita label solution sekarang? Water is solvent. So tak ada. What should you do? Identify the mass of solution by the addition between mass solvent plus mass solute. Nampak tak kawan kamu buat macam mana? Kat sini. Okay, dia kira mass of solution, okay, equal to, nampak tak saya zoom? Okay, saya buat besar sikit. Okay. Okay, so this area, nampak tak? The mass of solution 4.2, 4.2 plus 100. So, di-add upkan solute dengan solvent. So, correct lah. Okay, so kita dapat 104.2 gram. Okay, so bila kita nak kira percentage by mass, okay, dekat sini saya nak tekankan. This is a fraction symbol. So, bila fraction symbol, remember, is that necessary? You must convert the unit into kilogram. No need. So, when you want to substitute into the formula percentage by mass, your fraction unit must be similar unit. So means kalau solute kita unit dia gram, solution kita should be gram together. So you substitute, darab dengan 100, dapatlah 4%. Maksudnya, kalau jawapan saya bagi 4.0, so dia main sekali dengan decimal places. Is okay dalam exam, dia tak tekankan sangat writing decimal places. Yang penting, step substitution correct and then final answer also correct, including unit. Sebab target kita adalah persen. Get it? Boleh Senang je ni. Okay, so soalan satu, I let to you to do it your own self. Okay, so ada soalan sebelum I proceed the last concept? Tak ada Follow? Okay, follow tu. Okay, so I proceed to the second last, so the last question by using the concept of percentage by volume. Okay, percentage by volume, anyone who want to try? Ada yang nak cuba tak? Ada yang nak cuba? Amirul Aiman, H1T3.
Ya, saya cikgu.
Dah cuba dah?
Tak dapat apa lagi cikgu.
Tak dapat lagi? Okay, it's okay, it's
Belum.
okay. Alright, okay. Seorang lagi nak
Madam,
tanya.
saya nak.
Okay, good. Suara siapa? Munawwarah. Okay, try Munawwarah. Snap your answer. Try share to us by using the button throw. Okay, try. Tak apa, kita belajar je sekarang ni. Kita belajar. Salah tu memang, bukan saya suka yang salah, tak. Yang salah itu yang biasa kita akan guna supaya kita boleh buat rujukan for the next. Oh, kita tak buat dah. Sebab tu kalau kita belajar semua betul je, payah juga. Okay, sharing Munawwarah. Kita tunggu jawapan Munawwarah Yang lain tu teruskan buat. Soalan nombor 1, percentage by volume, the page 21.
Kejap, Madam.
It's okay, take time. Okay, pada mana yang dah siap, soalan 1, muka surat 21, dah boleh cuba example 2, page 22. Kita discuss dulu, example 1, page 21.
Dah, Madam. Dapat
Okay, thank you. Okay, alright, kejap. Saya tengah buka. Dapat dah, saya dapat dia punya noti bunyi. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, jom kita discuss sama-sama. Okay, right. Okay. Kita baca soalan dulu, nanti saya expand. Alright, okay. So, we have a sample 200. Okay, okay, kita ada ethanol volume 215 ml labeled by 35.5 percentage by volume. Macam mana kita tahu percentage by volume? V over V. Okay, so how many milliliters, so the value in unit ml, ethanol does solution contains? So the meaning for here, inside the container, okay, our solution is ethanol. Okay, aqueous is a solution, and then our solute, okay, ethanol, the main of the component of the ethanol solution, plus solvent. So maybe dia punya solvent water and so on lah. Okay, dia nak tanya berapa ml solute dalam solution ini. So according to the formula percentage by volume, okay, the volume of solute over volume solution time 100. Remember for this area, the unit in fraction should be same lah. Kalau atas ni ml, bawah mesti ml. Okay, kita check data. Okay, we already have. Ini siapa? 200 ml adalah volume solution. Okay, tugas kita sekarang adalah kena cari volume for solute first. Okay, so kita ada apa lagi kat sini? Percentage by volume. So by using the formula percentage by volume, so jap saya expand your friend's answers kejap. Okay. So for this area, we check. Okay, dia masukkan value 35.5%. Dia tahu dia nak cari volume solute, volume solution dah memang bagi, nampak dia convert kepada liter. Tak jadi masalah walaupun dia bagi ml. Okay, so this tak jadi masalah. And then darab dengan 100, so dia kira dapatlah X equal to 0.089 liter. Jangan berhenti dekat sini sebab soalan tu nak ml. So therefore, you answer convert to ml divide by 1000. 1, 2, 3. So you can get 85.9 ml of solute. So it's better. Betul lah jawapan ni. Betul lah? Right. Okay. So, it's better for here jangan letak X kat sini. Buat conclusion final. Sebab kat sini memang dah label X equal to volume. So, lepas dah kira, you buat conclusion. So, therefore, volume, okay, of solute, okay, which is the siapa tadi? Ethanol, equal to 89 ml. Ataupun kalau kamu kira, you probability you can get 88.75 ml. So this is the answer. Okay, so senang sahaja. Okay, yang tough question adalah muka surat 22. Okay, so I believe this question already done. We proceed now. Can
Yes.
Okay, good, can. Alright, so soalan ini adalah soalan pattern exam PSPM. Okay, so we discuss together. Okay, kita hands on sama-sama. Dia adalah application question, dia bukan direct soalan. Okay, first, tengok muka surat 22. Okay, first, you must be understand the meaning of here. 6.25 m small letter. Clarify. Who is this value? Belong to the what?
Molality.
Good. Molality. Tu yang kena kenal pasti dulu. Molality. Okay. Sodium hydroxide solution and the density. So this is belong density solution. Okay. Is 1.33. Calculate the concentration of sodium hydroxide according to the 3 measurement given. So dia nak molarity. Okay, kita clarify dulu. Who is molarity? So we know that molarity equal to mole of solute, okay, dissolved in 1 liter solution. Okay, volume solution. Tapi bila you letak je formula compulsory, unit volume wajib. Tak ada unit, tak dapat markah formula. Okay, and then what task you must be find out first is the number of mole solute. Any data the number of mole solute? Tak ada. Kita hanya ada maklumat molality of solution. So, you must be take out from the value of molality sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, so it's also equivalent to 6.25 m small letter, or we can rewrite also 6.25. Apa unit lain m kecil? Mol per kilogram. So, the suggestion is during you want to find out the mole of solute, we must substitute the formula according to the data by using this unit. Okay. So what happened? So formula molality adalah mole solute over mass of solvent. So this data we can rewrite 6.25 mole per kilogram. Also can write as a 6.25 mole over 1 kilogram. Okay, so this value equivalent to the formula of molality, mole of solute. Solute kita siapa tadi? The main component kita adalah sodium hydroxide. Okay, so over mass of what? Solvent or solution? Solvent of solution is Zati Shazani. This is a molality. Formula molarity, denominator dia adalah solution or solvent. Mass of solute over mass of which one? Izati?
Solvent. Mass of solvent.
Good, solvent. Itu yang kita kena ingat sekali. Remember the formula molality compulsory kilogram is wajib writing lah. So, from this formula, okay, we can identify the one assumption. This part. Okay, nampak tak yang saya buat ni hijau ni? Inilah data yang tersembunyi, kita kena buat satu assumption. So, you must be right the term of assume. Assume apa? Ini. Okay. Mass of solvent. Who is our solvent dalam cerita kita? Water lah. Sebab kita buat solution sodium hydroxide. Okay. So the mass of solvent is 1 kilogram. So you akan dapat satu markah. So therefore, can we find out the number of mole solute? Mole of solute. Siapa boleh jumpa mole of solute? The data. What is the value the mole of solute? Zarif Daniel. What is the mole of solute from this data? Ada tak? Boleh jumpa tak? Berapa mole of solute? Zarif, are you hear me, Zarif?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so berapa dapat mole solute? Nampak tak? Daripada sini, molality, definition molality, mole of solute dissolve in 1 kilogram solvent. So maksudnya, 1 kilogram ni memang wajib. Dia tidak akan berubah. Itu kriteria dalam molality. So, we can make assumption, mass solvent adalah bersamaan dengan 1 kilogram. So, therefore, what is the value mole of solute?
6.25 tu.
Betul. So, terus kita jumpa mole of solute is 6.25 mole. You akan dapat satu lagi markah tersembunyi dekat situ. Itulah trik soalan application konsep concentration. Okay, dapat? Ada soalan nak tanya kat sini? Get it, Okay. So, target kita adalah formula molarity. Okay, molarity kata apa? Molarity kata, okay, kita nak molarity. Kita nak M capital letter. Dia kena mole solute bahagi volume solution. Ada tak mole solute? Ada. Kita dah jumpa 6.25. Okay. Berapakah volume solution? Kita nak dapat dekat mana? Kita tengok balik data kita tadi. Okay. Macam mana, nak dapatkan volume solution? Sebab kita nak masukkan konsep molarity. Daripada soalan. Okay. Macam mana nak dapatkan volume? Daripada calculation, now we already get the mole here, 6.25. So how we find out the volume of solution? Carilah cerita pasal solution kita. Ada lagi tak maklumat yang kita tak guna? Ini, konsep density. So what should you do after this? Okay, daripada sini, okay, kita boleh take out from the concept value of density, from the density of solution, okay, the data is 1.33. So, density equal to the 1.33 gram per ml. So, you know that the meaning of density solution equal to mass solution over volume solution. Okay, kita check data. Okay, so sekarang ini density solution ada. Kita nak apa? Kita nak volume solution. Sekarang ni, how we find out the mass of solution? Macam mana dapat mass of solution? Kita tengok data yang warna hijau ni sekarang. Okay, so kita ada perkataan mass of solvent. Kita ada perkataan solute, tetapi kita dapat mole. Apa nak buat dulu mole solute? Kita nak dapatkan mass solution. Macam mana jumpa mass solution? Mass solution adalah combination between ataupun the addition between mass of solvent plus mass of solute. Okay, nak buat apa dulu sekarang? You must be convert the mole of solute here into the mass of solute. So, carikan dia nilai mass dia. Dapat dekat sini, guys? Okay, can we proceed to next step? Nak buat apa sekarang ni? Kita nak cari mass solute supaya we try to find out the mass of solution. Okay, so mass solvent dah ada 1 kilogram, so means 1000 gram. Okay, tambah kita nak mass solute. Macam mana nak dapatkan mass solute? Buat relationship mass over molar mass. So, macam mana? Okay, so the mass of solute equal to mole sama dengan mass over molar mass. So, nak mass buat macam mana? Mole darab molar mass, which is 6.25 darab dengan sodium. Berapa molar mass sodium? Cek balik sodium. So, Na. Na berapa Na? Siapa dah jumpa?
23.
Okay, good. 23. So, masuk di sini 23.0 tambah dengan 16.0 tambah dengan NaOH. Satulah. Okay. So, this is molar mass equal to, so you akan dapat the mass of solute equal to, so you dapat berapa mass of solute? The mass of solute here you can get, betul? 250. Is it correct? Ke saya salah kira?
Betul,
Check.
Madam.
Betul,
Betul eh?
madam.
250 gram. So 250 gram inilah kita masuk dekat sini. 250. So finalize kita akan dapat mass of solution. So the mass of solution sekarang adalah 1250 gram. Okay. So nak buat apa sebenarnya? Kita nak cari volume sebab kita nak masuk dalam formula density. Okay. So saya add up sekarang. Tak apa, nanti study lagi. Sebab video semua saya akan masuk dalam Google Site. Okay. Bila you buat latihan senang nanti. Okay. So density tadi adalah 1.33. So saya substitute terus data. Okay. So means from density 1.33 gram per mil equal to mass solution 1250 gram over volume solution. So this is our target lah. Volume solution sama dengan, so bahagikan dia, so kita akan dapat berapa volume solution? 9, betul? 939.85 mil. Check, takut saya salah kira. Tolong. Is it correct answer for your calculation? Kan? Betul eh?
Betul, Madam.
Alright, so
Betul,
sekarang
madam.
ni, okay good. So tak boleh masuk terus dalam formula molarity. Ini you kena convert terus ke dalam liter. Okay, jom kita terus masuk dalam formula molarity. Dia panjang sikit lah soalan ni sebab dia trik soalan. Okay, so we can substitute into the formula molarity. So molarity equal to our mole tadi adalah 6.25. 6.25 mol over volume kita dalam liter. So 939.85 times 10 to the power of negative 3 liter. So you tekan calculator, unit kita adalah mol per liter. So the answer here should be 6. Sorry. So 6. Apa dapat?
65.
5. Okay, good, correct. 6.65 mol per liter. Ataupun you boleh tulis 6.65 M capital letter. So this is the final answer. So remember, unit is compulsory. Okay, get it? Okay, so yang dah siap, cuba terus soalan B dan C. Okay, saya nak pick the answer. Okay, cuba. Dah siap? Sebab data semua kita akan ambil sahaja daripada calculation kita tadi untuk kita kira mole fraction and percentage by mass. Okay, try it first. I'll give you within 3 minutes to complete B and C. Okay, try first. For application question, if you already find out for the first question, this is easier to answer for the next question. Sebab you already interpret the data of the question. Okay, another 1 minute. We have a 1 minute 30 second for right now. Okay, so this is mole fraction belong to the what? Saya nak mole fraction of main component. So means of the main component, mole fraction sodium hydroxide in sodium hydroxide solution. Saya nak satu je mole fraction dia, tak nak mole fraction water. Saya nak mole fraction solute. And then for the P, percentage by mass. So this is simple. Okay. So can I choose the person to show the answer? Question B. Ramai left ni. Biar betul, tinggal 27. Kenapa ni? Nanti last kan saya ambil attendance sekali lagi Okay. So, can I choose Nurul Sakinah? H1T3, can? Sakinah? Sakinah, are you hear me? Respond?
Tak siap lagi.
Tak siap lagi. Alright. Okay, take time. And then Amirul Aiman. Amirul Aiman dah siap? Amirul? Dah siap?
Belum.
Belum lagi. Okay. Okay, sekali lagi saya tanya. Apa lagi H ni? Siapa saya tak panggil lagi selalu? Siti Nurhazirah dah siap? Siti Nurhazirah?
Saya dapat tapi macam lain.
Macam lain je dengan jawapan bagi. Tak apa. Jangan risau. Saya nak tengok technical writing je. Saya bukan nak tengok final answer pun. Boleh share?
Tapi dapat lain.
Tak apa.
Dia dapat 1.
Kamu dapat?
10.1.
10.1 is okay. Saya nak tengok dia punya kat mana writing dia. Boleh share? Boleh Okay, tak apa. Salah tu jangan salah. Jangan percaya jawapan saya bagi. Jawapan tu tak salah, tak betul. Okay. So, okay, bagus. Untuk C, soalan C, ada tak yang dah siap? Mana tahu ada yang cepat? Lai Li Song dah siap, Lai? Are you already finished? Dah try?
Belum siap.
Belum, okay. Alright. It's okay. Take time. Okay, so kita bincang dulu soalan B. Share dulu, Hazira.
Sekejap, madam.
It's okay. Salah tak apa. Kita bincang sama-sama. Kita baru belajar. Jangan risau. Exam lambat lagi.
Madam, saya nak try untuk C.
Okay, good. Finished? So, you share your answer? Okay, you send C.
Okay.
Okay, so dia C dekat sini dia minta percentage by mass. Okay, so Avinesh percentage by mass. Hazira, dia akan tunjukkan kita mole fraction. Okay, try. Yang lain tu buat ya. This is our last question to discuss for today. So yang lain, the another question, this is only the application lah. So you must be practice it. Because we have a quiz after end of this chapter. Okay tak Zira? Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we discuss this first. Okay, boleh nampak Mak dia guna pencil. Okay, thank you Avinash. Alright, okay. So kita discuss ni dulu. Okay, Avinash pernah hantar, kita boleh terus bincang lah. Okay, so bila kita nak buat cerita mole fraction, so betul lah ni, you akan masuk dulu formula. Okay, first saya comment from this data, writing formula. Okay, the mole of solution. So the mole fraction is regarding to the mole of our target over. Sebenarnya dekat sini adalah N total lah. So sebenarnya dia adalah N total kita. So which is siapa? Mole of target and mole of solvent. Okay. So mole of solute already calculate before, which is 6.25. Okay, kita ada tadi mole solute already calculate before 6.25 mole, and then we already have the mass solvent equal to the 1250 gram. Ya ke? Tak, yang ni adalah mass solution. Okay. Kita nak adalah hasil tambah, kita nak solute. Dia bukan mole solution. Dia adalah hasil tambah solute dengan solvent. So maksudnya dekat sini kita kena cari mass solvent. So we already find out before. The mass of solvent here is 1000 gram. So you just convert 1000 gram here into mole sahaja. So 1000 gram over, nampak ni, 1000 bahagi dengan JM. Saya faham itu adalah molar mass. So betul lah 18. Kenapa 18? Because water. So water 16 plus 2 times 1. So betul, gram per mole. So dia dapat the mole of water 55.55 mole. Substitute the data. Okay, dia careless sesikit je kat sini, kat mana? Okay, mole for solute over mole of solute plus mole of solvent. Is that mole fraction require times 100? Can or cannot? Tak. Yang times 100 ini hanya apa? Percentage by volume and percentage by weight only. So this step dah correct. So final answer je dia akan hilang 1 markah sebab careless ada 100. Okay, so the final answer here is 0.101 only without times 100. So konsep dah dapat. Careless sikit je. Okay, good Hazirah. Okay, faham yang lain nak tanya? Tak ada. Boleh? Guys?
Cikgu final question, final answer banyak tak payah letak tu kan? Tak payah letak
Unit. Tak payah letak apa?
unit.
Okay,
Unit.
mole fraction memang tak ada unit. Sebabnya definition mole fraction, atas ni adalah mole, bawah ni pun adalah mole. So mole cancel, ada unit? tak ada. So conclusion dia, mole fraction memang tak ada unit. Hanya nilai sahaja. Sebab this is a ratio concept. Okay, dapat? Okay, ada soalan lain? Okay, good. So tak ada kita pergi kepada the last question, Avinash answer. Nanti you go through balik semula video untuk you jawab soalan. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So, kita check. The question is calculate percentage by mass. The first interpretation, dia interpret dulu. Definition. Mass of solute over mass of solution. Mass of solute, mass of solution time 100. So good, correct. Formula dia dapat 1 markah. Substitution, mass of solute. So maksudnya tadi berat dia kita dah kira betul 250 kan? Kita dah kira mula-mula tadi. Okay, so the mass of solute 250 gram. Mass of solution already calculate before during we calculate the molarity 1250 times 100. So finalize, betul jawapan dia 20%. Yes, good, correct. So berapa dia dapat markah? Formula, dia dapat substitution, dia dapat final answer. So dia akan dapat dekat sini 3 possible markah. For your information, soalan example 2 ni di cover 8 markah. Banyak tau 8 ke 10 markah possible. Dia boleh tambah lagi. Okay, right. So we already done discuss the concept of concentration. Okay, any question? Yes, ask.
Formula compulsory tulis ke?
Okay, good question. Okay, for this concept, concentration, when we are discuss together, maksudnya bila PSPM marking, right? Bila PSPM marking, mostly ditengok formula. So better bagi saya, you as my student, I suggest saya nak you tulis. Sebab possible memang ada markah bila dalam PSPM marking. So better kena tulis lah. Tapi apa jadi kalau setengah student tak tulis? Okay, jawapan final answer dia correct. Contoh, for Avinash answer, dia tak buat formula. Substitution dia betul, final answer dia betul. Formula je dia salah. Possible tak ditolak markah? So, disebabkan final answer dia correct, dia akan terus dapat totally 3 markah sebenarnya. So, kenapa mesti letak formula sekali? Sebab nak elak daripada careless. Contoh, masa substitution ni, you tertinggal 1. Contoh, sepatutnya 250, you substitute 25. So, you dah salah dekat substitution. Final answer salah. Tapi markah dekat sini, you tak dapat 0. You dapat 1. Dekat mana ditolong? Dekat sini, markah formula. So, conclusionnya for the question tadi, better write down the formula together during you write down the answer. So, boleh ya? Cuba practice tulis formula. Okay? Dalam chapter concentration ni, memang mostly ditengok formula tu. Alright. Okay, ada soalan lain? Tak ada? Okay. So, example 3. This is our target. Sebenarnya nak habiskan example 3. So, the concept is similar concept number 2. So, what happened disebabkan hari ni tak sempat. Example number 3 is task for Google Classroom. So, yesterday you ada 3 soalan, betul? Soalan nombor 2 tak perlu tambah, tak perlu hantar. 3 soalan konsep combustion tambah 1 soalan example 3 konsep concentration. Maksudnya dalam GC nanti saya nak tengok ada 4 answer. Ada 4 question sahaja. Faham? Boleh? Untuk hari Sabtu ke hari Ahad cakap apa itu? Hari Sabtu kan?
Sabtu.
Hari Sabtu kan? Okay, so disebabkan saya tambah 1 soalan lagi. Hari Sabtu ni paling lambat tengah malam. 12 AM. Okay, masuk hari Ahad saya boleh go through dah. Sebab semua student dah ada email MOE. So dia boleh masuk sepatutnya dalam GC yang MOE tersebut. Okay. Tetapi, this is your task dalam Google Classroom. Only 1 question sahaja. Tetapi, sebagai pengukuhan kefahaman kamu. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully. Okay, saya better you prepare lah. Better you jawab. Buat latihan. Sebab kalau saya nak minta you hantar semua soalan, saya takut terbeban kepada kamu. Okay. So better. Okay, kalau you tengok lesson 6. Okay, lesson 6 almost concept we already discussed. But this lesson 6 only consists the exercises question. So saya plan tadi saya nak ambil soalan ni. Okay. And then so hopefully try to do it. Try to do it question number 1 until question number 9. Okay, the next lesson on next week's during first lesson, tutorial kita adalah hari Rabu. Okay, hari Rabu. Saya akan masuk dulu question soalan ni dulu. Okay, so soalan apa kita akan pick kan untuk you share with me during class. Before we start to discuss the next lesson, saya nak you prepare juga untuk lesson minggu depan. Okay, mesti selesai sebab saya akan pick randomly jawapan. Tak boleh kata cikgu saya tak boleh jawab. Cannot. You kena jawab sebab kita dah discuss during class. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 8. And question number 9 only. Yang lain, I let to you. Kalau you nak buat, you buat. Yang 4 soalan ini mesti disiapkan dahulu sebelum masuk kelas hari Rabu minggu depan. Yang dalam GC hari Sabtu ni hanya example 3 sahaja. Any question? Class? You want to ask? Tak ada?
Madam ni page berapa?
Yang ini adalah page 25.
Okay.
Page 25 Ni preparation before we class on Wednesday. Before class Wednesday next week.
Madam,
Yes.
yang Madam cakap ada quiz tu bila?
Oh, quiz tu bila? Selepas habis je chapter ni. Maksudnya bila? Hujung bulan 8. Dapat? Boleh ikut So maksudnya habis je chapter 1, sebelum masuk chapter 2, saya akan bagi satu quiz untuk saya nak test kamu chapter 1. Okey ke tak okey? So daripada quiz tersebutlah adalah pengukuhan sedikit supaya kita boleh bantu mana yang kurang, mana yang lebih, macam tu. Sebab saya nak tahu bila-bila belajar online ni problem sikit sebab saya tak boleh face to face with you. So inilah cara dia. You must do it. You have a problem, directly PM saya. InsyaAllah saya akan cuba bantu sedaya mana yang mampu. Okay, ada soalan kelas? You want to ask me?
Madam.
Ya.